everybody, this is Carly Cottrell. You may remember me from the internet, and today I'm joined by my friend
Hi, Asada from the ATL.
Hi, Asada. So we're in Atlanta, Georgia today, and we are visiting the Georgia Aquarium.
Yay.
What's up? So we're gonna take you through the whole thing. We only have a little bit of time. We're gonna do a 1-hour tour of the Georgia Aquarium.
1, 2, 3.
Ready up!
We're here.
We're here! The predators of the deep. bud?
I'm having a great time. It's so cool here. Carly's hi, bud. I saw zebrafish.
We saw a zebrafish. We're excited. Team zebra. All right, how do we get out of here? All right. There's a bunch of little coral exhibits. We've seen the sharks exhibit, the predators of the deep, the sharks. We've seen the tropical diver exhibit. We've done the ocean Voyager exhibit. So I think we're gonna go across the way. So there's cold water quest, the dolphin coast, river scout, and then there's some stuff upstairs. So that's what we're gonna go to next. In the cold water quest, the cold water habitat, we are gonna go back downstairs. We've got 2 more main sections to go and like 25 minutes left to do it because they're closing soon, but it's okay, we got this. 25 minutes, 2 more sections, we can do this. Okay, Dolphin Coast I think is done because we didn't get here in time. It's done. So River Scout, yes. It's time for River Scout. It is time for River Scout.
This is the kind of fish I need.
Yes.
This is it.
So the last one we have is this Trust Pier 225. So this is going to be all seals and sea lions. This is the pinniped section. So last one, and then we're done at the Atlanta, Georgia Aquarium for the day. It's just a plane. Just kidding. Okay, well, I guess this is it. with the fin. Whoa, okay. You better get that one. We're done. So the thing I loved about this, even though there's literally nothing in here, is this is where I'm from, San Francisco Bay Area, Monterey. That's where I know. I know. Disrespectful. All right, everybody, this is Carly.
Bye, Asada.
And we're at the Georgia Aquarium signing off. We had a great time today. Thank you to everyone for watching again. If you like any of the equipment that I used to film this, look down in the description, it will be there. And if you want to check out some classes,
visit www.verticaljoes.com.
All right, y'all. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.